trying to avoid this Liverpool saga, but I can't hide no more. My club is officially in crisis. We are out of the title race, and the way we're playing, we will be lucky to finish above Manchester United. That is how bad it is. Of course, the crisis has multiplied with star player Mohamed Salah talking up a bag of things, pushing back at being made a scapegoat for the struggles of the team. And we see people beating down on Salah, saying he's selfish and acting like he's bigger than the team and blah, blah, blah. But me there on Salah's side, he was being made a scapegoat and his blood run through the man's vein. Liverpool cannot protect a lead or keep a clean sheet. We conceding goals left, right and center to all kind of rubbish teams. That is not Salah's fault. Put it this way, if I was Mohamed Salah and to have to rub the bench and watch people like Cody Gakpo on the field, we would have fussed and fight and war too. Hey, we want out of the club!